Power, focus, confidence in your ability, strength, readiness, and assertive action. With training in mixed martial arts, Taekwondo, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, and private instruction, you become more than another target to those who seek to do you harm. You become the opposition. You are the weapon. Sharpening you in the Marshall Way's reality-based urban self-defense system for the real world from Master George Bell is your channel to controlling any situation. Tips, tricks, and the techniques for you to gain the upper hand. The Marshall Way online at themarshallway.com. Power in your hands. To begin instruction in the Marshall Way's reality-based urban self-defense, call 928-774-2597. Grandmaster George Bell's The Marshall Way, across the street from the Killip Elementary on 3rd in Flagstaff, where the warriors of the old meet the new.